Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Wednesday. It's December the 5th, 2012. This is intraday activities. Alerts being issued in the middle of the day, so these numbers may actually change by the close, or should close. And so what we're looking at here is JP Morgan, and we're looking at it from a long perspective because of the activity in the Dow intraday. We've seen a massive move by the Dow Jones Industrial Average, even with the fact that you've had the less than stellar ADP numbers. So I was actually surprised by that, but I started looking, is there something I'm missing? Is there long opportunities that I'm just not seeing out there? I do see a couple, and I've got mostly a good deal of mixed signals, so I just want to make sure that I'm issuing alerts on both sides of the aisle so that we don't have people just getting alerts based only on my preference or my bias. So this is why we're issuing a long alert today. It's not something I typically attempt to do, but there's a possibility that I'm wrong on my bearish perspective, at least early. Ergo, that could be long opportunities out there that I don't want you guys to miss. So I'm going to show you guys this one. You can make your decision for yourself. And this particular scenario, you can see that looking at JP Morgan, ticker symbol is JPM. You can see we've had a massive move to the downside here. The market's selling off, and that created a very nice gap here. We'll talk about that in a minute. As we sold off here, we bounced off this low, about roughly the 200 period moving average, jumped up here to the 50 period moving average and closed at this point, pulled down at 39.88. Jump up here and close a little bit higher. And we pull back down. Now we're forming a little higher low point from this point to this point to this point. We're obviously in a little uptrend right there. And with the close here and then the higher close here, and as of today, we actually took out this previous high at 41.37. So we're seeing right in this little range right here, higher highs and higher lows. So somebody could be bullish here if you had a pullback that gave you a hammer candlestick formation, which we did. So then we want to see confirmation, which we had today. Ergo, this is something that could be bought with a stop set off the 40.20 low. So the 40.20 will be the stop limit, 1 cent below that at 40.19. And you'll be looking for the target to be the fill of the gap here. So the gap starts at this point here, the close of this day. The following day, it opened down here. So actually way up here is where we'll be looking for our target, the gap fill there. It got about $1 right now, at about $1 to the downside here. Risk, this is your risk right here, and then this is your gain potential, about $2 to the upside. So that's a trade that you might take on the long side. There's a few different trades out there that I've seen that have a little bit of a potential reversal formation going, like I'm showing right here with a hammer candlestick. They're not confirming yet, so tomorrow we may have more long opportunities, assuming that they confirm. But right now we have this one. Okay, so this is JP Morgan. For those of you guys who are interested, have a look at this on the long side. If you've not been to the free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free, and all we ask in return, please refer a friend. God bless, take care, and see you in the next one. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.